Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trading indicator. So if you're having this set up on your chart, follow up with me. If you are not having, just follow up with my analysis and you will also get it right. Okay. So quickly, this actually got to the support zone around there. Tried to break out from there about 4 times, but was unable to break out from there. So it went up on uptrend, got to this resistance zone. If you should notice, it respected it around there, also respected it around there. So since it was unable to break out from there, so it went back on downtrend and stopped at this point, okay, which also follow up with all these. Okay, so right from there, it went back on uptrend. And of course, this time I broke out away from there, and of course, it has gotten to this resistance before pulling back. So this is still buying at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999 still on 15-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend for a while, broke off away from this support zone to sell more. But after getting to this region, decided to buy a bit before um, putting a stop at this point. Okay, so right from there, it is selling at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. If it breaks out below the next support zone, it will sell more. But if it does not, it may likely change the trend into an uptrend. Okay, we should watch out for that. So let's move on to Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Started an uptrend right from here. We can see the uptrend signal and the buy signal, and it bought till it got to this resistance zone. Was unable to break out above this. So right from there, it started a downtrend, gave us a downtrend signal, and it's been selling since then. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. It has been on downtrend right from this resistance region, and of course, so till it got to this support zone. And right from there, it had a pullback and went back there again, and it will be trying the support zone again to see if it will break out from there. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. But for now, it is still selling. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on uptrend right from this support region, got to this particular resistance zone, had a pullback and went back there again. This time I broke out above it and it is still buying. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So you guys should watch out for that. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.